Hello and welcome to the Accessibilities web module on JAWS. For your convenience, there is closed captioning provided on this video. In addition, please find a transcript for the video below on this webpage. So the first thing to know when using JAWS is that it should automatically open with your computer when it turns on. It'll open on your lock screen, and if you have a password, then JAWS should be speaking already to notify you that you should log in. And then once you've logged in and JAWS is launched, say you want to navigate through certain programs or get to certain apps, press your Windows key to get to your start menu.
Search box, edit, type in text.
And say you're on the start menu or anywhere else in a browser or a certain program, a good way to easily navigate different sections is to press Tab.
Tab, start list box, toggle start navigation menu, items collapsed, 1 of 6.
Then JAWS will tell you where you are currently. And just keep pressing Tab to move through different sections. And you can also press Shift Tab to move back.
Tab, all apps checked, all apps list box, recently added. Shift Tab, start list box, toggle start navigation menu, items collapsed, 1 of 6. Tab, all apps checked, all apps list box, recently added.
When you want to navigate through those sections, depending on if it's a list or if it's a grid, you can navigate with your arrow keys. So if it's a list, just navigate with your up and down arrow keys.
Start Zoom, new. Most used. Word 2016, Google Chrome. Tab, pin tiles list box, custom applications group header, Google Chrome. PowerPoint 2016.
If you're somewhere set up like a grid, then you can use your up and down arrow keys as well as your left and right.
File Explorer, Microsoft Edge, MSC Remote Assistance, PowerPoint 20, Google Chrome. Word 2016.
Okay, and now to show you some basic ways to navigate JAWS when you're reading some text.
Enter. Opening dash. Opening dash Word.
Also, you might have heard that when I wanted to select the Word program, I pressed the Enter key. So usually when you are selecting an item in JAWS, like if you want to follow a link or open a program or go to a site search result, you press Enter.
Blank. Caps lock on.
So when you're typing, JAWS will read what you're typing by each character, so each letter and each punctuation or number. So for example, if I type today's date,
J cap UAE space 5 space 2 0 2 0.
And then say you want to read the line that you just wrote, just use your up and down arrow keys again.
Enter. June 5th, 2020. Blank. Caps lock on.
And then say you want to read something paragraph by paragraph. So like if it's separated,
J cap A double.
you can press Control and then use your up and down arrow keys. So for this example, if I want to read the line that says the date, I could go back up by pressing Control and then the up arrow.
June 5th, 2020.
And then if I want to go back and read the line below that, that's been separated by a break and is a different paragraph, I would just use the Control and down arrow.
JAWS.
And then
June 5th.
say you want to read something letter by letter or character by character, again, then you just use your left and right arrow keys.
UNE space 5 comma space 2 0 2 0.
And then if you want to read something word by word, then you would press your Control key and then either your left or right arrow key to move throughout the sentence.
2020 comma 5 June.
Okay, so that's just some basic ways to use JAWS when you want to read a certain text. So say you're on the internet and you want to quickly search something up. Let me show you by opening a Google Chrome window.
Cortana. Tab, start list box, tab, all apps checked, all apps list box, recently added. Tab, pin tiles list box, custom applications group header. Google Chrome, enter. Address and search bar, edit, type in text, Control+L.
So once you're in Google Chrome, you can use a shortcut to get to the search bar by pressing your Alt key and then D. So
Alt D.
And then once you're in the search bar, just type up what you want to search.
JA double space HORTCUT space KEYS.
So in this case, I'm searching up JAWS shortcut keys and then press enter.
Enter. JAWS shortcut keys dash Google search dash Google Chrome. JAWS shortcut keys dash Google search. Page has 4 regions, 20 headings and 46 links. JAWS shortcut keys dash Google search. Heading level 1 accessibility links. Link skip to main content. Link accessibility help. Link accessibility feedback. Google Apps button collapsed. Google account colon.
Now, as you can hear, JAWS, oftentimes if you go to a certain site or go to a certain Google search, sometimes it will try to read the entire page at once and just go throughout. If you want to stop that, just press Control. For an easier way to navigate items one by one, you can press H, which will take you to different headings.
Search modes heading level 1. Search results heading level 1. Web results heading level 2. JAWS keystrokes dash support heading level 3 link.
And then you can navigate through the search results that way. You could also navigate with tab like earlier.
Tab main region. JAWS keystrokes dash support.freedomscientific.com single right pointing angle quotation mark documents single right pointing angle quotation mark manuals heading level 3 link.
Or you could navigate with your arrow keys again.
Heading level 2 web results. Heading level 3 link JAWS keystrokes dash support.
And then once you find a result you like, just press enter to select it.
Enter. https://support.freedomscientific.com/content/documents/manuals/JAWS/keystrokes.
And then it'll take you to whatever that result was.
Page number 1. Escape for keystrokes heading level 2.
And again, if you want to navigate something quicker, you could press your H letter key to jump through headings.
Web browsing keystrokes heading level 2.
And then your arrow keys to navigate through paragraphs you want to read or through sentences you want to read.
Note: the JAWS help system includes detailed information about using the internet in your browser. Press and hold insert and press F twice quickly. The internet in your browser. Press and hold insert and press F1 twice quickly. Once JAWS help is open, press F6 to move to the help topic window.
As you can see, when you go on Google, there are a lot of different results and different sites you can look up if you want to learn about more shortcut keys for JAWS, because there are a lot depending on what programs you're using or what browser. Some sites are voice over accessible and they will say certain keyboard commands that you can use if you want to jump around. Not all sites are accessible though, so those sites will be harder to navigate and you'll have to go through your arrow keys. And that's really it for basic JAWS commands you can use to navigate through your computer and read. Should you have any questions or concerns about the JAWS program, please contact the main accessibility office at 905-569-4699 or at access.utm.utoronto.ca. Thank you for reviewing the online JAWS module for accessibility services at the University of Toronto, Mississauga.